If you're wondering where Dinger baseball bats come from, we are in southern Illinois in a little town called Bridgeway. And I'm not sure there's even one person in town today. That's how small this town is. So we are at the Dinger Baseball Bat Company, Illinois' first wood bat company for baseball. And I believe this building is part of it. And over there is the Dinger trailer, so I'm wondering if someone lives over there as well. I was hoping to find someone here today. I was going to try to buy the grandsons a bat, but I don't see anybody around. And it is July 5th, day after the 4th. I know Dinger bats are world-class wooden bats, but they're made right here in southern Illinois. And we're just out for a ride this afternoon, and figured we might go through here.